Do you want me to throw it? You want me to throw it? What did I think was gonna happen? Hey guys, welcome to the car. We are off to do some shopping, mostly browsing, potentially buying stuff. Don't know. My aim is to go Ikea, Bunnings, Kmart today. I need to pick up some paint from Bunnings. I wanted to get the stuff for the DIY. I'm planning for the white pot I got from Kmart, but I don't think I'm going to get that today because I think I need Evan's help for that because he is good at building things. So I need his expertise. So I'm going to wait for that one, but I'm going to pick up some paint. I think maybe we're going to have a look. And then Kmart, I just want to have a look around. And Ikea, I want to have a look at their storage stuff to see if I can find some better solutions for our fridge. Yeah, so that is the plan today. I just got out of the shower, put on my skincare, so I'm nice and like pink. And I'm in the car, so come shop with me. There's so many colours and I want them all. Amazing. Thank you. Oh, good. Awesome. Thanks so much. I really just want cute pots that drain. Why is that so hard? Love these letter boxes that have a parcel thing. This is what we are going to have eventually. Not that one, but one like that. Let's go look at plants because I can't help myself. It's really awkward filming in public. I hate this. So cute. Ooh, pots. Why don't they drain? It's pretty cool. Shame the wires are so ugly. Oh, look at these tiny little pots. I should get one of these for my little tiny baby thing. But they don't have drainage holes. That's cute. Still the bane of my existence that there's no drainage in them. This sky is gorgeous. It's got new growth too. I say as though I know what I'm talking about. Aww. I just love the tiny ones. They're so cute. Oh, okay, time to go before I buy all the plants and Evan kills me. I found more pots. These are adorable. I wish they had a silver one. I have one of these at home from Kmart, but it's absolutely shocking. It does nothing. That's cool. Propagating station. At least I know where they are if I ever get good enough to do that kind of stuff. Why is everything gold? Oh, okay. We're done in there. It was crazy busy. I've got my goods. I ended up finding some vinyl stuff in the DIY section, which I've been looking for ages online. And it was $8, so I grabbed that there. That's for something that I potentially want to do, but I don't know yet, so I grabbed it. Look at my face, I'm so red. Yeah, that was so busy. It's bloody insane in there. Now we will carry on to Ikea. Even the car park's busy. Just want to sit here and hide. People in Bunnings car parks are crazy. I brought my tumbler with me today, which just goes to show that I am truly as obsessed with it as I said I was in the first video that I talked about this. And it keeps water so cold. I love it. Ooh, look guys. Pots! We're not going in there. Oh my god, it's one of those people with the spinning sign. Not a spinning sign, an arrow. It says indoor plant sale. That's very tempting. Ah, another Bunnings! Okay, oh, blocking my face. We're in the car park for Ikea and Kmart. I am getting low on battery, so I may not be able to film very much in here, but we will see. I'm also kind of tempted to get some sushi for lunch. Back in the car again. I bought some things, not a lot, because I want to test out the sizing and stuff of the containers that I got before I buy a whole lot of them to fit in our, I really need to cut these off, to fit in our fridge and stuff like that. I got some sushi, so now I've already paid for my parking, so I need to leave the car park. I got cut off. Anyway, I got some sushi, but I have already paid for my parking, so I need to leave the car park now, and then I'm gonna find somewhere to park and eat my sushi, and then I'm gonna go home. I'm nearly home. I'm flushed, I've had the heater pumping. But yeah, I'm nearly home. I'll take everything inside and then I'll show you through what I've got. Okay, I am inside now. It has been like 5 hours or so. I got completely distracted with making dinner and all of that stuff. I don't know if you can hear me very well because, and that ring light is really annoying on my glasses, sorry. And what was I saying? Yeah, I don't know if you can hear me very well because I don't have my microphone in. I'm using my phone. But I'm gonna quickly go through the stuff I bought today and some other stuff that I have piled here. Let's do Bunnings first because that's easy and you guys have pretty much already seen it. I got 2 cans of spray paint. Both are black, both are paint and primer. This one is a glossy one, this one is a matte black. So that is the difference. That's what I got. That will be used in the future. You may hear panting in the background because the dogs are in here with me. I also grabbed this adhesive vinyl. It's like the dark wood kind of color that I like, that I am going to try use on the laundry hamper thing that I bought months ago and quickly decided that what I wanted to do with it wasn't going to work. So now I'm going to try do something with this. So yeah, that's Bunnings. Okay, most of the Kmart stuff you saw me get, except for this. I got another lip balm because once again, you can never have too many lip balms. And for our fridge, this was my little makeshift ruler that I made, that I cut a piece of cardboard for the length of the containers that can fit in our fridge. So these are pretty much like spot on. But I grabbed some of these just to test them out to see if they work in our fridge or not. They're both the medium size. So these are just the clear, these are just the clear containers. So I'm gonna see how those go in the fridge. If they work well, I will just order more online. This you did see me pick up. It's a mini pot stand thing. I can't really show you anything with this lighting, sorry guys. But you saw me pick it up. It's a mini pot with the stand. I have a few little plants, so I'm gonna see which one I could put in here. Do you want me to throw it? You want me to throw it? What did I think was gonna happen? Oh God. All right. So I have a few more things from Kmart that I picked up a couple of days ago. I got 2 more of these. If you saw my bathroom video, you would see where I use these. I'm gonna put these 2 on top of the ones that are already there. So then they act as kind of a lid for the cotton buds and it gives us more storage. So 2 more of those. I also have some more tweezers because the tweezers I bought in a earlier haul are gone. They're gone. I don't know where they are. They're just gone. So I bought more. Once again, in the hopes that all my other ones will turn up again, but obviously that plan doesn't work anymore. The last thing from Kmart that I showed when I was at Kmart today, but I have already bought it a while ago. It is this. Ooh. Is that the right way or is that's the right way? But everything might be backwards anyway because of filming on my phone. But anyway, this I'm going to do a DIY with. I don't want it to stay pink. I'm going to paint it white and then potentially do the top black. Maybe this, I don't know. Maybe white. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, this is an upcoming DIY. Okay, that's everything from Bunnings and Kmart. I only got a few things from Ikea. Grabbed one of these, which is like their plate storage things. My idea with these is, if you saw a haul from a little while ago, I got some of those plastic, like, they're not plastic, they're kind of silicone-y? I don't know. Anyway, I got some of those reusable bags that you can wash them out and stuff, but they're a real pain to dry. So I grabbed this so that I can put them like over each of these and the air can get in and they can dry easier. So that is my plan with this. Potentially not a great idea because this is wood and water's gonna drip out. Anyway, and the other thing I got from Ikea were these glass containers. I got round ones and rectangle ones that are covered in lids, but they have these bamboo lids on top as well. These kind of match the ones I have from Kmart, but they are bigger. So I'm gonna see how I like them. If I like them a lot, we might get some more. If not, we won't. This is the big one. So the Kmart ones I have are maybe like this wide, deep. So having them be this big is going to be much more convenient, but I have found that keeping like our berries and stuff in here has been lasting way longer in the fridge, which is handy. So if they work for that, we will probably pick up some more. But yeah, and they also have the bamboo lids as well. So they are completely airtight. The ones from Kmart are great. So if these ones are just as good, that would be perfect, because the Kmart ones are just way too small. They're too small. So, okay, that's everything. Thank you so much for hanging around for this vlog and coming shopping with me. I decided to just treat myself and have a bit of a relaxing couple of hours, and then totally forgot to finish the video off. So that's what I bought today and over the past couple of weeks. Some of these things were already sitting here, but that's it. Thanks for joining me in today's video. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more from me in the future. If you liked this kind of style of video where I took you shopping with me, let me know in the comments down below, because I can do more things like this in the future. And yeah, keep your eye out for some of the DIYs I have coming, and we also have a camping trip coming up, so I'm probably going to vlog that as well, because I've always wanted to do travel content, but COVID, so this is the first trip that we'll be going on for over a year. It's been over a year. We were going to do an amazing holiday, but COVID came back and ruined that, so that's not happening. But anyway, I'm rambling once again, so I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Go, 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 go. Without hitting people is the idea. Which, oh, Kai, you right, mate? You okay? And I also found, oh, careful, doggies. Can you stop eating things off my floor, bro? Oh, Frosty, is that your baby? Yeah, this is Frost's baby. She's had this since the day we got her, and it is one of the only stuffies that has survived.